Lean in, because what I'm about to say next might blow your mind. You can actually lock in an American Airlines flight without paying any money up front. You heard me right. Yes, and nope, this isn't clickbait. So don't even think about it. No sketchy loopholes, no third-party drama. This is legit. It's a built-in trick most travelers don't even know exists, because airlines aren't exactly throwing it on the billboards for you to see it. And listen, if you've ever found the perfect flight, but needed a day to confirm your schedule or even think about it, only to come back and that flight is gone, or no, it's $250 more, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you're not alone. That is a real travel disaster. And today I'm going to show you how to stop that from ever happening to you again. So stick with me. This is part of my travel scenario mini-series that I had to deliver face to face. Yes, no faceless communication today. No, And this one right here is a game changer. So I had to come and deliver it face to face. So stay until the end, because I'm going to show you a sneaky twist on this trick that even travel agents don't use. But it could save you hundreds of dollars if you time it right. I had to pause. All right, here's the deal. American Airlines offers a feature called Hold Your Fear. Yes, it exists. It lets you secure a flight price for up to 24 hours with no upfront payment. You don't need to enter your credit card or debit card. You don't need to book anything. You just hold it for 24 hours. Boom. All the pressure is off now until you figure out if you're going to make the flight or not. And unlike these shady reserve now and pay later deals on third-party sites, this one is directly through American Airlines. No middleman, no sketchy fine print, no nonsense. It's basically like saying, hey, American Airlines, hold my seat for me. I just need to make sure my boss isn't going to ruin my travel plans first. Let me break it down step by step. No, on a serious note. Go to American Airlines website like you normally would. Choose your flight and go all the way to the payment screen. Right before checkout, you'll see an option that says hold for free, or sometimes for a small fee if you want to hold it longer than 24 hours. Click that button and boom, your price is locked in. No surprises. You'll get an email. Of course, that's a confirmation. And then you decide if you want to pay and book the flight or not. You've got your airplane seat on lockdown. No credit cards, no commitment. Yeah, I said it again. While everyone else is panicking and clicking like maniacs, you've already secured the best deal without spending a dime. Now, before you think this is something every airline does, no ma'am, no sir. A lot of other airlines either don't offer this at all, or they sneak in a fee just to hold your seat, even in 24 hours. Delta, no freehold. You either pay or lose the fare. United Airlines used to have a fare lock, but now it's only available in certain cases. And yes, it costs extra either way. Southwest Airlines, you can cancel after booking, but you will still have to pay upfront. American Airlines is one of the only major airline carriers still letting you hold your flight for free. So, while other airlines are out there playing games, we ain't out about that, and Americans basically giving you a pause button for free. Before I show you how to take this hack even further with a money-saving timing trick, let me remind you, I've got 2 digital bundles that'll take the stress out of your travel planning. One for senior travelers or anyone who wants a smoother, more organized trip with a checklist, 2025 to 2026 travel planner, 5 videos, and a full travel guide. And one that covers 55 real travel disasters and how to survive every single one of them. These are real travel scenarios with real solutions. Both links are below the video in the description, and they could save your entire trip. You will thank me later once you grab yours. Okay, so here's the twist. Yes, it's coming, that most travelers never think to do. You can use the 24-hour hold to play the airfare timing game. Here's how. You book on Monday night and you put your flight on hold. Don't pay yet, just hold it. Check back Tuesday morning. Why? Because that's when airlines often drop or adjust their fares. So if the price goes down, cancel your hold and rebook at the cheaper rate. If it goes up, no worries. You're already locked in at the lower price anyways. This is a next level travel strategy, Sonny, that I use. It's a chess game with these airlines, not checkers. We were about to play chess, right? This move is gold. Let me tell you for who. For families trying to confirm with 4 or 5 people in their group, seniors who need time to check medical or mobility details with their doctors, last-minute travelers who just need to breathe, and every single one of us who's ever said, I just need 24 hours to decide. Have you been there? Let me know in the comment section. It's not about indecision, really. It's about empowerment. And American Airlines is giving you the power back. So why not take it back? This trick might seem small to many, but it can literally save you from one of the most common disasters I've seen. You find the dream flight, perfect time, great price, and you just want to double check your schedule. You wait, and then bam, the flight is gone, full, or now it's $400 more. I've seen people lose honeymoons, graduation trips, once in a lifetime moments because of that. And they didn't know this button existed. But now you know, so go spread the word. And that's why this video belongs in my travel scenarios miniseries. Because this isn't just a tip, it's prevention. This is how you beat the system at its own game. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, please, and thanks. And drop a comment with your best travel trick. I know you have some up your sleeves. I'm always looking for new ones, trust me. And don't forget to download your free ebook I have for you, Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. It's also linked below and totally free for my subscribers. And if you're loving this mini-series, I'm so excited about it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out, because I've got a wild video coming up next on a government loophole that might let seniors fly for free under certain programs. Yes, really? You do not want to miss that, do you? Even if you're not a senior, you can tell others about it. And please remember to get your travel bundle before your next trip. Yes, the one I mentioned before. Trust me. Whew, it is golden. Thanks for watching. And as always, travel smart, stay ready, and never let an airline trick you out of your dream vacation or trip ever again. Because I'm here to spill the tea. Yeah. Thank you so much. And safe flight. Go enjoy your vacation. Take care now.